This video is how to solve a multi-digit by one-digit multiplication problem using the partial products algorithm. We're going to model this using a place value chart and also using numbers. So the first thing we need to do is we need to draw our place value chart. So even though this problem only goes into the hundreds, I'm kind of making a prediction that we might need the thousands place. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. And then I'm going to rewrite the problem vertically on this side of my paper. 851 times 3. Now this has 3 digits in it, so I'm going to create 3 spaces on my place value chart. 1 space for the ones, 1 space for the tens, and 1 space for the hundreds. And I'm going to tape down my paper so it stops moving around. There we go. All right, so first I'm going to start in my ones place. I'm going to multiply 3 times my ones place. 3 times 1, 1 is how many? 3 ones. Draw it, write it. Now let's work in my tens place. 3 times 5 tens is how many tens? 15 tens. 15 tens is actually what number? 150. So I'm going to record that in the next part. 150. And then I'm going to write it down. 150. Being really careful that my numbers are lining up. Lastly, I'm going to multiply my hundreds place. 3 times 8 hundreds. Well, 3 times 8 is 24. So I know the answer is going to be 24 hundreds. What number is 24 hundreds? 2,400. And I'm going to write it down, being very careful to line up my numbers. Now I'm going to add up my partial products. So we have 3, 5, 5, and 2. It also shows the same thing in my place value chart. We have 3 ones, 5 tens, 5 hundreds, and 2 thousands. 851 times 3 is 2,553.